Okay, September 11, 2023. Car wouldn't start. I'm gonna try to restart it. You might not be able to see my foot down there, but my foot is on the brake. I'm gonna press the start button one time and let's see what happens. If you can see my finger on the start button, I'm gonna press it one time. It didn't start. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have to go back in the house and wait a half hour for this thing to start so I can put it in the garage for the night. It's 9:23 p.m. I'm trying to put my car in the garage, my truck in the garage rather, and it won't start. My goodness. So I'm gonna have to go back in the house. You can see the garage is just waiting for the truck to come in. However, I can't put it in there because it won't start. And you see what's on the dashboard is flicking back and forth between stop safely now and full accessory power active. And you see that little battery. I'm pointing at it with my right hand, battery and truck emblem or sign. My goodness. I thought the problem was over. Haven't done it in a couple weeks. But here we are once again. Got to get rid of this truck. And you can see on the dashboard, I'm going to try to point at it. I got 1,880 miles, 0.5. 1,880 miles. Okay then. Turning it off.